Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create cool introduction video with CapCut application. Alright guys, first of all, we can create new project in CapCut. Click on new project and we have to add background for our introduction video. We can go to the stock video and we have to select the background section. And you can select the background that you want to apply to your video. And I'm gonna go with this one. Click on add. Okay, and I'm going to add my photo to this CapCut project. We can click on overlay and click on add overlay, and I'm going to add this photo. Click on add, and we're going to remove the background of this photo, so we can go to the remove background, click on auto removal, and I'm going to add stroke as well. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and for the color, I'm going to select this orange color. Okay, and we can zoom in like this. Okay, and we're going to put effect to our video, so we can go to the effect, click on a video effect, and go to the cartoon category. You can scroll all the way to the right like this to find the cartoon category, and select this one, cartoon border, and click on this check mark. And I'm going to add one more effect to my video. I'm going to select this fire effect as well and click on this check mark. And to create the cool effect, we're going to put keyframe to this photo. Click on the photo, click on this keyframe button, and for the first keyframe, I'm going to make this photo disappear or out of frame. And for the second keyframe, I'm going to place it right here and we can make the photo appear. Okay, we're going to add keyframe again and make a movement. Okay, and for the last keyframe, we're gonna make this photo disappear. And I'm going to add text to my video. I'm going to add name, and we're gonna use effect as well. I'm gonna go with this effect, and for the animation, I'm going to select the pop-up animation. Okay, this one. Click on the check mark, and I'm going to place this text right here. Okay, and I think it's done. And let's just take a look at the final result. Okay. And I guess that's how we can create a cool introduction video with CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.